Well, good morning, friends. Today we're going to install an automatic chicken door. Maybe it's an automatic dog door. We're going to install our automatic chicken door for our chicken coop today. So stick around, we'll be right back.
This video covers automatic chicken door, backyard chicken setup number 9.
Well, welcome back. We put a little thought into this little chicken door right here. When I first started out, I was going to use this as a clean out, if you'll remember. And me and Nancy got to talking about it. It'd be nice to have an automatic door that raises and closes at designated times, so we don't have to run out and open it or shut it or anything like that. It just does it automatically. So I'm going to use it for that, and I'm going to do all my clean out. When I clean out the roost, I'll take it out the front door over there. So so it should be working great. We're looking forward to it. But I wanted to show you on this build, what's involved. These metal buildings, the most difficult part of the job is getting something to nail to, because this right here is only a 10 gauge metal. It's pretty thin, and you can't work to that. And then I have these two and a half square tubings, galvanized square tubings that I have to convert from being steel. I got to convert it over to wood. So I'm going to have to frame this out right in here so I can attach the door to it. Okay, so let me check this out, and I'll build up a framework here to install the door to it, and then we'll head over to the shop and we'll take a look at the door. And I'm going to also build a ramp right here and a ramp outside, so the girls have something to walk in and out, because it won't be down low on the ground like this. It'll be up about that high, about 8 or 10 inches off of the actual ground level. So we'll have a little ramp for them. I guess they could hop up, but I guess they could hop up if they tried, but we're gonna make things easy on them. So anyway, let's get this job started, and the sooner the better, so we can get us some eggs going. Let's get going. Well, I checked out the existing condition of the steel structure on the building, and that's how it's configured. And this is what I need to build it into. I need to convert from, can y'all see that? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I got to convert from this configuration to this configuration, so that I have an area to actually attach the door. And these are the parts I'm going to need right here to set up the framework over here. So let's get that drill going, start drilling some screws in here and get this job done. Let's go. Well, I thought I'd give you a little demonstration. Nancy set it for manual override so I could show you how to do it, how it works. But we got it set for specific times so it'll open at whatever time I want and it'll close at whatever time I want it to, you know, depending on what time of the year it is. I really like our automatic door, so I think it'll come in handy in many days when I don't feel like getting out here at certain times, or I'm just too tired to come out or whatever. It'll close for me. So we're really thankful to have that. So we appreciate you watching us on our little chicken door installation, and maybe you might want to do something similar to that for your own chicken coop. But anyway, we thank you for watching. This just gets us one step closer to getting our chickens. So if you like our channel, be sure to subscribe and be a part of our Homestead family. Until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.